Hey, in this video, I'll show you how to add animated text on Instagram stories. It's actually a very simple tutorial. So if you appreciate me making this video, make sure you give it a like, subscribe if you're new, and hey, if you have any questions whatsoever around the video, I would love to help you out in the comment section down below. So what you can do here is, and it's the same thing on an Android and an iPhone. You click on your Instagram, you go on your profile at the bottom right corner, you want to click on plus story, and now let's record a quick story. I'll just record a quick story of my monitor and my MacBook, just like this. And now all I have to do is click on the text right here and say something like and subscribe. So the first option, this one, is the colors. For example, let's make it orange. This one will align it on left, right, or center. This will add a background. That's what I usually use, and it's based on the animation you choose right here. So you can have this animation, or if you click and change the font to something like this, you have another one and another one and another one. And there's different ones. There's also a typewriter. I actually really like this one, and you just use the animated button, which is the fourth button at the top. If this video helped you out, give me a like. I want to see you in the next one. Bye.